everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be solving a challenge named Wonderland. It's one of the few challenges in the Wonderland series. We have two flags to capture. The first one is the user txt, the other one is root txt. I already solved it, but it's a good practice to escalate your privileges. I already showed you how to do it in our previous lessons. First, we'll start the machine, and from here you can download the configuration file and use OpenVPN to be able to make a connection. And this is our target IP address. I copied here, and first what we are going to do is we'll make a nmap scan to see which ports are open. Let's do it over here. This switch indicates that the results will show us the versions of the services used, the ports, and let's see if it's a website. It says follow the white rabbit. We have a text over here and an image. Okay, let's see the page source here. Again, there is a header, there is a paragraph, and by the way, we can use GoBuster to search for directories of the website. Let's do that here. This is our word list, and let me just copy and paste the IP address. While it searches for the directories, let's see our okay, it says the SSH port is open, and the HTTP port, it uses a Golang server, and there's another filtered port. Okay, I can close this tab right now, and let's see. Okay, we have an IMG directory. The index.html is the first page we saw, and the R directory. Okay. I'll download this image to check for another information or steganography, the secret messages. Let me just go to the temporary file, and we have I already downloaded here, as you can see. Okay, we'll use stack height for information. Okay, now we are going to extract it. Okay. It says follow the rabbit, so it's a hint to for us to follow. Keep going. It says again. Again, it gives us some header, text, and image. Let's see the page source file. Okay. As you can see, there is a credential. It's the SSH username and the password. Let's just copy and paste it. Let's make a Wonderland txt. Paste it to see the credentials. Okay, and let's SSH in. SSH Alice, and copy the IP address. So yes, let's go to temporary file and see the password. You can copy and paste the password. SSH. Okay, we are in. Let's see what's inside. There is a root txt, but we won't be able to see what's inside. But this indicates that it gives us a hint that if there is a root flag in the user directory, maybe there can be a root user txt in the root directory. So let's check if there is any. And user txt file, yes. So we can see what's inside that flag. And this is our first flag. You can copy and paste it here. And what else? Okay. There's a Python script here. Let's see what's inside. There's a for loop. It parses the string and prints a line from here. And it uses the random module in Python. And let's see the sudoers list. Okay, it says user Alice may run the following commands on Wonderland. There's a Rabbit user, and this is the Python version to use. What else? And again, we can hijack manipulate the random module because the first thing it'll do is Python will search for modules in the current directory, looks for the libraries packages in the current directory, so we can create a script named random and manipulate it for ourselves. Random.py end of file, and we are going to import the OS module, and to gain a shell we'll use the system vim bash end of file, and we'll use the script to be the Rabbit user. So Rabbit, was it Rabbit? Let me just, yes, and I can copy and paste this part. I'm sorry. Yes, we are Rabbit, but our group ID, yes, it's Rabbit also. Let's go to our home directory and for the header up the Rabbit. We have a script over here, and it says root, and can you see what's inside? No, but we can execute it. Welcome to Tea Party, and it waits for our input and gives us segmentation fault. Let me just download this file, the script, the bash script, and okay, just go to np get img. But first, let's open the web server from this directory. Python 3 and HTTP server. Okay, on port 8000. 1000 and okay, the T party. Is this the same IP address? No. Okay, we have the script here. Let's see what's inside with using Hopper. Okay. Let's see the pseudocode. Okay, let's see the main. And again, you can see it prints a string here. The math header will be here soon. And again, use the system command. Uses the echo command, but use the whole path, so we won't be able to manipulate it. Echo some string and use the date command with date switch to see the next hour. Again, it gives us some fake segmentation fault, and we'll create a date script and add the binary, the executable to the path environment to the system will check for the executables from that path, and that way we are going to manipulate it. So let's go back and close the web server and create a date script and add the shebang in bash and shell and the file. Let's make it executable first, date, and let's export the path. Home rabbit, and let's add the path over here, and let's see. Okay, from here we can execute it, and yes, we are header, but our group ID is rabbit. So let's go to our home directory, header list, and it gives us some password. Okay, let's just copy and paste it. Why is a raven like a writing desk? Okay, temporary file. Let's run the Wonderland txt, and okay, let me just copy and paste header. Okay, and let me just copy and paste it, and let's change user, and again this time our group ID is header. Now we are going to escalate our privileges. I showed you guys how to do it in our previous lessons. First, let's look at the capabilities and redirect the errors to this dev null file. Here it uses Perl. This is the path, and we are going to use GTF bins to see the capabilities. Let me just write Perl here and get the capabilities. Okay, we are just going to use the this part we don't have to copy and paste the whole part. Let's go to the header, and as you can see, this is the path for the Perl, and let's copy and paste it. And now, as you can see, we are root, and let's look at the root.txt. It was in the aliases directory, and from here, and this is our second flag. You can copy and paste it over here, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching and joining our channel. Thank you again. So take care.